This video deals with using R for basic statistical analysis. Now, R is a sophisticated software package that I don't recommend for just anybody. I recommend R for those with some background in computer programming, especially object-oriented programming. I also recommend it for people with some prior experience with statistical packages. That is, I don't recommend it for somebody who's just learning a statistical package for the first time. So what exactly is R? Well, R is both a programming language and a software environment for statistical analysis, graphical representation, and reporting. And it was created by two University of Auckland, New Zealand professors, Ross Ikaha and Robert Gentleman. R has a number of advantages and disadvantages, and these should be considered for anybody who's considering learning R. So first, as an advantage, it's very versatile and powerful. R can be programmed to do any number of different kinds of statistical analysis. It's also highly extendable because a number of people are independently writing routines and programs for R. The R source code is also open, meaning that it's readily available for people to look at and download from the web, and it's disseminated for free. It's also widely used, meaning that it's been in existence for long enough of a time that people have already developed a number of different packages and routines for use with the base R package. However, it also has some disadvantages, especially for those who are used to other kinds of programming languages, or statistical packages like SPSS or SAS or Stata. R can have more of a steep learning curve because it involves using object-oriented concepts. Now, it's also said that another disadvantage is that R is free if you don't value your time, meaning that although it is powerful and versatile and open source, it can take some time to program R to make it do what you want it to do, or to find the appropriate packages that do the things that you're interested in accomplishing. And it's also thought that it may already be on the bleeding edge of technology. So some people argue that because R has been around for so long already, there's other packages that are starting to surpass it. Programming languages like Python and Python's Pandas package are sometimes argued to be at the cutting edge of technology, while R is starting to fall behind a little bit. Now, in order to get R, you'll need to visit two websites. The first is the project website, www.rproject.org. This is the main project website and the place that you can download the base R package. And then a second website, www.rstudio.com, has what's called an integrated development environment, or IDE for R. And this is something that you can use in conjunction with the base R package to make your R session just a little bit easier to use. So it involves a number of different windows that make it look more like a sort of standard statistical package. So it has like a script window, an output window, windows that show help menus and graphics that you create in R. I will link in the description below some videos showing how to use and install both the R project and R Studio. Now, what this video is not is it's not a tutorial for using and learning the basic R programming language. For that, I recommend some web tutorials and resources that you could use. So the first of these web resources is the Tutorials Point website, which can be accessed at www.tutorialspoint.com/R. This is a tutorial site that's intended for programmers, statisticians, and data miners, and it includes a number of different code examples that are really useful for beginners just learning the language. A second web resource and tutorial is something called QuickR, and that can be accessed at www.statsmethods.net. And this is a tutorial site that's aimed mainly at statistical analysis in R, and it involves examples and code that are appropriate for both beginners and even advanced users, and it involves code that's specific to statistics and graphics. And it's another sort of great reference site. So if you need to look up some kind of an R programming technique very quickly, this is a really good website to look at. And then a third resource is the R Tutor, and that can be accessed at www.rtutor.com. And this is basically a tutorial that's aimed at both beginners and advanced level programmers. And it also includes a good introduction to some basic R data types as well as elementary statistics.